Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do something a little different this year and decided to try vlogging. This is a mini vlog of a somewhat typical week for me at university. I hope you'll enjoy. Before heading home, my parents and I would often stop by my favorite grocery store, Super G-Mart. Super G-Mart is a Korean and international grocery store that carries a wide range of fresh produce and products. I often shop here when I want to cook a Korean dish or pick up groceries that Walmart doesn't carry. This grocery store literally has everything. Not only do they sell groceries, but also household items and cookware as well, with a wide range of selection. And now we are headed home. After window shopping, my friend and I decided to get some coffee, and this was not what I expected. The coffee I ordered was a traditional macchiato, which I thought was going to be a 12-ounce cup of coffee, but instead it was about an ounce of shot. I often do lots of walking, as you can see. Here, I was on my way to the other side of campus to grab something to eat. After a long walk, I finally arrived. Here's a snippet of my view from inside the restaurant. As the restaurant is a bit small and busy from time to time, I wasn't able to get a good view of the entire restaurant. Oftentimes I would eat it, but since I was alone, I usually order takeout and head back to my room. I always order the poke bowl with a side of seaweed salad, and depending on how I feel, I would sometimes treat myself to bubble tea. I also like to enjoy watching Korean variety shows while I eat and the view from my window. I wasn't planning on doing anything on a Friday night, but since a few of my friends came over, we decided to take an adventure outside of campus to Super G-Mart, since they'd never been there before and since I also wanted to shop for some ingredients. Before we left, I decided to go ahead and do a little grocery shopping through the university's market. For some odd reason, since I've been away from home, I always get this weird craving for a kapya, a rice flour noodle soup with shredded chicken and chicken broth. It doesn't take too much ingredients to make, but I believe I had almost everything except the items to make it. Because I had to improvise with what I had, it took a pretty long time, but the results were worth it. This was also my very first time cooking at university, and I was quite impressed with how it came out. And here you have it, freshly made kapya. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more vlogs, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.